Here at Destination Auto Group, our focus is your health and safety.
We're here to repair or replace your vehicle in the safest way possible.
We integrated social distancing in all our dealerships, which means reduced hours, no handshakes, and constant cleaning and sanitization.
If you can't visit us in the showroom, you can browse our inventory online. We can also arrange for a FaceTime or Zoom call with one of our sales team, and we can also arrange for a contactless test drive.
Worried about bringing your car in for service? We've added cleaning protocols such as wiping down door handles, steering wheels, etc. with disinfectant.
If you're unable to visit the dealership to pick up the vehicle that you just purchased, or you feel uncomfortable visiting the dealership during this time,
we have many different options available to you. By completing most of your paperwork online or by phone, and by having the vehicle delivered to you.
If you have any more questions about our new hours or how we're protecting our employees and you, please check our website or give us a call.
From all of us at Destination Auto Group.
From all of us at
Destination Auto Group.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.